Alright, I'm going to quench this aluminum ingot, new ingot mold. It's got a handle on it. Smarter design, we kind of feel like. All four sides are tapered.
I'm liking it. Super comfy in the hand. There's nothing.
I'm hoping that thing just pops clean out.
I hope so too.
A couple little taps.
Oh, it's falling out now.
Is it really?
Yeah. Look.
Oh yeah. Now we're talking.
That was so much easier. I like this mold a lot better than the other ones.
We've been doing it wrong.
Yeah.
We're getting there.
I didn't even have to tap it. Nothing. It just fell out.
So all that hammering, all the belly aching.
Yeah. It was useless. Just a little.
How's the mold look inside after the aluminum's in there?
Looks good.
Oh yeah, it's perfectly clean.
Yeah.
Still probably too hot to touch. Wow. The handle's a ticket.
Yeah, absolutely.
No more pliers.
Right, and I mean, the handle's hot, but it's not like...
Right, welding glove, you're fine.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm starting to get a little warm now, but...
Well, you just had
1100 degree aluminum in it, so... I mean,
molten aluminum in there.
Yeah. But yeah, I'm digging this for sure. Absolutely.
And we did preheat those molds too.
Yes. Yeah, we preheated them. Yep. I like it a lot.
That other one ready to quench?
I think so. I want to try something first though. I want to see.
If it'll pop clean out?
I want to see if it'll pop out right now and then try to quench it. It came out perfectly clean.
Wow, I can feel the heat coming off of that.
It. Should I quench the mold or let the mold cool? Nah, let's let it cool naturally so it doesn't warp the steel.
Agreed. Yeah, there's our aluminum brick right there.
I probably shouldn't be putting this on the concrete though. Put this one back over here.
Yeah, that sucker's clean, man.
And then grab.
Use the pliers or the tongs?
You know what, just for authenticity, I'll use the tongs.
Tong to dong tong tongs.
That is cool.
I mean, instantly boils the water.
Well, what happens is, I don't know if the camera can pick it up or not, but as soon as you put it in hot, what it does is around the outside of the ingot, it actually forms a steam barrier.
Like a little pocket of steam.
A little pocket of steam, so you actually have to leave it in the water a little bit longer.
Dude, that's like the most beautiful bath water. That's hot tub water.
Nice. But you got to leave it in a little bit longer so the water actually breaks the steam barrier and gets to the actual ingot. So don't just dip it in and then hope it does it. You got to actually let it in there until it actually stops boiling.
That's a nice brick.
I think that's the ticket though. I didn't even have to do nothing to that other.
Yeah, pop clean out.
I didn't have to do nothing, just tapped it.
Well, what do you think? Call that a success?
I call it a success. How about you?
Hell yeah.
We'll just put them in there to cool them down to the touch. And we'll be good to go.
Yeah, man.